This is one of the world's first infographics, and it actually comes from health. Do any of you recognize it? So this was created in 1855 by Florence Nightingale, who was actually one of the world's first data journalists. Now what I mean is that if you know your history, Britain was fighting the war in the Crimea against the Russians. It wasn't going so well. The British government, of course, wanted to spend more money on guns and ammunition. But Florence said, listen, hold up, I think you should build more hospitals. The British said, oh, come on, don't be ridiculous. I mean, we need to fight the enemy. And she said, well, I think you should look at the data. They didn't want to look at the data. So she did the next best thing. She created a picture. This polar areograph actually demonstrated that more soldiers were dying as a result of poor sanitation than enemy fire. So it was able to totally transform the entire approach of the government in the war by bringing that data to life. So when you think about your organization today, how do you use data? Do you have different analytics functions in different product silos across your organization? Have you centralized it? But how much of all of that has become powerful stories at the top leadership level of your organization that now determines the way you make decisions and you chart your destiny? Because that, in a way, is the essence of what characterizes these new digital-first 21st century organizations.